Garden Academy.
Bet you can catch me, Monty.
We'll see about that. I'm going to catch Margarita. You have no chance against me. I'm going to catch you.
My head.
It looks like I caught you, Margarita.
Yeah, I think you did.
Why, hello there, everybody.
Hi, Monty and Margarita. Hi. Did you see this box, Monty?
What could it be?
Hello there, kids.
Hi,
Gardener Tim. What's in that box, Gardener Tim?
Ah, musical instruments, you guys.
Super cool.
You can take out the instruments while I go fetch a surprise for you. How does that sound?
Great! Wow. Oh. All these instruments look so incredible, don't they? I'm so excited for this. I want to learn how to play each and every one of them. Wow, I might not know the name of this instrument, but something tells me it'll sound awesome. And... Well, that's strange. I think my instrument is broken, Margarita.
No, Monty. That's called a guitar, and that's not how you're supposed to play it.
No?
How about we ask the learning tree for some help, Monty? What do you think? Yes!
Yeah.
Dear learning tree, please, we are asking for your help so we can learn about these musical instruments.
Yeah.
There's lots of types of instruments. Some are wind instruments, others are strings, then there is percussion, and others have keys. We'll learn how to play them today.
Wow.
For example, the drum belongs with the percussion instruments. And we can play it with our hands.
Oh.
Do you want to try it, Monty?
Yeah, of course I do. Yeah. Play with me, Margarita.
Yeah. Let's continue the lesson.
Yeah, let's do it.
The piano has keys which can be played with your fingers. You can play one or more keys at the same time.
Wow. Wow. You're so talented.
Monty, are you okay?
Wow. That was incredible. You really are so talented, Margarita. Wow.
Thank you, Monty.
What other instruments can we play, Learning Tree?
This is the guitar. It's a string instrument, and you play it like this.
Wow! Very good, Margarita. You make the guitar sound awesome.
Now, all that's left for us to do is to learn to play the wind instruments. But, the box is already empty. What do we do?
Hey, hello, everybody. Rose and I have a little surprise for you.
And what's the surprise, Gardener Tim?
That we formed a music band. It's called Garden Academy.
Each of us will play an instrument. Rose will be on the drums.
I'm ready.
Margarita will play the guitar. Yeah.
Gardener Tim will play the piano.
Oh.
And Monty will be playing the trumpet.
What? Guys, I don't know how to play the trumpet.
Oh, don't you worry, Monty. Please, Learning Tree, do you think that you could help us out here? Huh?
Wow.
The trumpet is a wind instrument and sounds when you blow into it.
Come on, Monty. You can do it.
Okay, Okay then, here I go. How was it? Did I do it? Huh? Hey, where's everyone?
You played the trumpet so loudly that we flew out of the garden, Monty.
Wow. So then I guess I learned how to play the trumpet after all. Here's a song for us. Let's all sing along.
Sing with all your heart. Give it all you got. How cool is that trumpet?
Wanna dance to this? Come and dance along.
Feel the rhythm going. You can't stop at all. How crazy is that drumbeat? Wow!
Jump around in place.
Hop a step behind.
Wave your hands in the air. Hey, it's playtime. Listen to that guitar.
Yeah!
Move your feet to this. Shuffle back and forth.
Half a spin in place, another in reverse. What a beautiful piano! Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Sol, fa, mi, re, do.
I woke up today.
And made up the song. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Whoa, those are musical notes!
Sol, fa, mi, re, do.
And it's over now!
Together we're the best music band.
Ah, and you are a part of our music band too.
Yay! And don't forget, there are many types of instruments, and they are all very different. Right, this instrument is a drum. And this is a guitar.
Oh,
And this one is a trumpet, you guys.
right. And this instrument's a piano. Oh, did you like today's lesson, you guys?
Yeah!
Thank you for spending time with us. We hope to see you very soon in another episode of
Garden Academy!
Everyone, let's rock and roll. 5, 6, 7, and... Garden Academy.